wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much for this opportunity, golden opportunity to speak in front of all you master of English.
MasyaAllah.
Right. First of all, the government of Indonesia is a law country, right? Indonesia is a law country, so everything everything we do has a rule, a regulation for that, and it has put down in law or laid down in law or laid down the law, and either from the parliament or from the police department also have law based according to everyday or life. For example, if someone make a mistake or make transgression like that, they will get court, go to court for hearing like that. After hearing, maybe the judge will deliver a verdict about someone who is wrong on something or not. For example, if someone make very huge transgression, wrongdoing like that, they will get more penalty for that. More penalty, for example, go to prison and plus pay a lot of fines for the crime that the one do. And we talk about next is remission. So the government usually give remission for prisoners or wrongdoers. For example, in National Day, for example, Independence Day, and then the government give remission for prisoners on special occasion like religious holiday like Idul-Adha, and then Christmas, and also other big special